Hey team, some of you have been asking me how to solve quadratic inequalities when the coefficients don't give you friendly answers. And so I'm just going to show you in this video. So consider this question: x squared plus 6x plus 1 is less than 0. Okay, typically I can factorize the left-hand side, but today I can't. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this quadratic first. And we know how to solve quadratics, and we use the quadratic formula. So, recalling that our quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, what we can do is I'm going to find out what a, b, and c are. So, a is 1, b is 6, and c is 1. I'm going to substitute them, and we'll solve this quadratic. So here goes. X equals negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared. Sorry, that squared doesn't look very much like a squared, minus 4 times 1 times 1. Okay? All over 2 times 1. Let's simplify this a little bit. It's negative 6 plus or minus 6 squared is 36, and that's 4, so that's 36 minus 4 all over 2 times 1 is just 2. And this simplifies to 6 plus or minus the square root of 32. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what these two plus or minuses are. Okay, so let's try. So we've got x equals negative 6 minus root 32 over 2, and x equals negative 6 plus root 32 over 2. Okay, I'm just going to grab a calculator and find out what these are. So this one here is negative 5.82. I'm going to just write 83. And then this one here is negative 0.17. Okay, I'm just going to work with 2dp for now, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I've got these two solutions. I am going to draw a parabola, and I'm going to draw an x-axis. So the smallest value goes here, and the largest value goes here. And the smallest value here is actually negative 5.83, and the largest value is negative 1.17. So my question is asking, for what values of x, remember this is your x-axis, what values of x is the parabola above or below? We're looking at less than, so it is below the x-axis. And so the parabola is below the x-axis between this point and this point. And so my final answer is 5.8. If negative 5.83 is less than x is less than negative 1.17, so as to say that x is between them.